if obi the sport there, where Stonebwoy 2 won't go sport there. I mean, it be good thing, right? It be good, right? Yes. But Sark Nation, the SMC, but when copy to this, boy, originator, Afro Dancehall King. When copy to this, you want try do. Or be the go Kumasi, you go ho. Or be the go UK, you say you won't go London. Boy, with the come London.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
Boy, with the come London, straight. Yeah. I say, let me give you a warm welcome to Sarkodie Studios right here. Today, I get some fella for you. It'll be hot. This one, hot. Before you go see, you know, it tele for everywhere. And of course, my name be PKB, and I'm here to give you all the latest updates in the world of entertainment, sports, politics, wherever it is, right here, Sarkodie, we just serve you fresh and hot. Stonebwoy did the news inside, right? So, few hours ago, boy, BHIM president, aka originator of Afro Dancehall, yeah man, yeah, king of Afro Dancehall music, dropped on his handle that, I mean, BHIM Fest, you don't see, we spoil it for Ghana, we spoil them, like, we do them back to back, them fill stadium, like, any one way them do, BHIM do them before. So, as people, they take them all go landing to BHIM Fest, say, no, we too, we for carry on our own go London. UK, you understand? So Stonebwoy dropped over a news on his socials that BHIM Fest 2026 landing, see you soon. So all the boy fans, all the Bobo fans, all the BHIM natives with the landing, Stonebwoy say he's coming to London as well to make sure that he gives you nothing but the very best of his brand, his craft, how he does this on stage, you know. He can't do one well for you. Wait, this announcement Stonebwoy do on his various social media platforms. It not be easy for the comment section. You know, say the fan base war for Ghana there. You know the end. Be like this time around, we won't go watch one of dirty ladies for the young kid there. But here, I can advise all of you, make you people calm down. Because elsewhere, it don't be so that they do them. If it be home theft, you people go do back and forth, then do all the agenda. But this one, I the beg people. You people for make we support Stonebwoy. Right. So, as Stonebwoy dropped the team, people they talk plenty. But at the one, make we go watch the short clip Stonebwoy dropped on his socials to announce his BHIM Fest landing show. Right. We'll go watch him. If you come back, I'll go make you know what transpired around, you know, the entire conversation. Okay, so that be the short video. You see this one, 3 man go talk say I can name guys eseweni and say catch you see for yourself. Gani for your eyes. So as you do so, no, I say Charlie, make her enter the comment section, make her go see if Charlie encouraging comments there way. Of course, if Sarkodie or be the Pombedi, the landlord, go spoil the Royal Albert Hall. He sport there, do performance, I mean coordination, everything was on point. If I be the sport there, where Stonebwoy 2 won't go sport there, I mean, it be good thing, right? It be good, right? Yes. But Sark Nation, the SMC, but when copy to this, boy, originator, Afro Dancehall King. When copy to this, you want try do. Or be the go Kumasi, you go ho. Or be the go UK, you say you won't go London. Boy. When copy be that. That be the banter that they do for Stonebwoy in post under. And it's not a joke. People like Bongo Ideas all day and that comment session they ask boy, what is the aim of Ghanaian artists going to perform in the UK? Like seriously, Albert not hide. A whole blogger like you, they ask such a question. Yeah. But anyway, that's on the side. So, I mean, for me personally, I feel say the fan base thing is good, but to some point, it's no good. If it be here, where you people go, they do your things, it makes sense. But if the artists, they travel, go outside, go do show, where you know say you know go feel support them because you dey Sark Nation or you dey SM, Charlie, no, make you no dirty the person. Make you no try bring the person in show calm down. We all for push because the UK there, if that be how we go sell Ghana music globally to the people. So if you people they fight for your way, the fights go reach on key. They go say, but these Ghana people, what's up? And that attitude where they want a body where if one person do something, you know what make somebody else can't do no. You people for stop that thing. So if Sark do Royal Albert Hall, so Stonebwoy to no go fit go do show for UK again or for London again. Me, I know be BHIM native. Me, I be full of the fan. But let's call a spade, right? The truth must be said. Because I know they see what is wrong with us pushing Stonebwoy equally. If Sarkodie had the support he got, it be the same support we for carry give Stonebwoy. That is how we push the agenda. That's how the Nigerians do it. Say Whiskey they go do show, they go do show for London, or Ashaki in O2 he do recently. He do finish in no chair no in boss Olamide too go do. You hear say fans of Ashaki go they move to Olamide or Olamide fans, or you maybe you say both of them are from the same camp. So say Olamide go do where Burna Boy won't go do. So then you go hear say the fan base they fight, make the fight reach London. Nah, bro, make you no do one like that. But I mean, if it be home ground where we the fight, that'd be cool. But I beg you people, make you people no make you go watch on a dirty linens for the outside there. It no nice. That thing no nice. So I beg you, if no say no go fit support our boy for this 2026 UK show, you there, ding, po. Like when you say no go stress yourself. Cause this one be UK they go. Yeah, I know some people who can't talk plenty. You people they talk already, say they do copy for the comment section. But you know nice. I dey beg you people. Moko enter the comment section there. So say you people go here. This one I know me at the talk. It be you people nah they there. The Sark Nation people say why they copy you, because already it be like beef day between low-key beef day between Sark Nation and BHIM native already. You understand? We know say SN and beef they do the meets long time. So SM then Shatasak, right now Shatasak come together. Where did they take give BHIM natives? It no be easy. But I mean, like I'm saying, the fan base word here, it be cool for you, but for outside, Moku no carry go there. It no go push, it no go make the Ghanaian music look fresh for the outside there. So some of the commentary where they under the post be, cause see American, he say, Massa, rest now, nobody is coming out to watch someone like you perform, not even to talk of buying tickets. Use that money, promote yourself, brand. Like the show he they go do for the, it no be self-promotion be that. It don't be brand Stonebwoy they try. In fact, Stonebwoy say we know say the international shows there, they play them long time. They play them no be now. Right? But for some reason, people still they find loopholes with the video Stonebwoy drop, because as he drop the video, he add link to him. Ordinarily, you go feel say as the link drop there, venue updates, ticket updates, and whatever update would need will be in this particular link or video Stonebwoy shared. But none of these informations there. Yeah, Stonebwoy no add ticket price, venue, and all of these things. So the narrative, some of the people they push, we say Stonebwoy they try one see if people go sign up for this link. It be out of the sign up of this link where he will carry see if people will come the show or not before he will try go look for location. Then now he go put price for the show top. Then we go know when the show go happen, then how much the show will cost. Charlie, some way, but I don't know why they no put the entire details together before bringing this link out. But I mean, there's nothing wrong with signing up. Some people try signing up, and I get a screenshot of the sign up. If you sign up, what they go try tell you, they go try the info you will get. Be say Stonebwoy presents BHIM Fest London 2026. Sign up with your email address to receive early access ticket news and updates. Thanks. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates. Hera touring as well as Burnitin music. So I don't think there's nothing wrong with this format that Stonebwoy wants to use to host his show in London. It's only wise that you always play safe. Even Obi they said, me I be sacking. Even Obi they said we won't fill O2 20k for next year 2027. it be this year he released the ticket sales. He did do them, so he has 1 full year to prepare. So what is wrong with Stonebwoy also holding on venue and ticket prices before he announces his show in the UK? But like I'm saying, Ghana there, whatever thing you go do, people go find fault, they go find loopholes, then take do agenda. So we they understand them. Nothing is wrong with that. But BHIM natives, you put for brace yourself because SM the sack people go move to you. Already they move to you people self already. Another comment from Albert Nat Hyde, Bongo idea. So now every artist will be doing their shows in the UK. What's the aim? Even Emoji self get show for UK gospel show. One of the big venues in the UK. I forget all the details, but Emoji has a show. Gospel musician Emoji has a show in August coming up. And you, Albert Nat Hyde, a whole blogger like you sit here and under Stonebwoy's post and ask such a question. Maybe it be cloud to the chase. So make I just move away because definitely the aim for Ghanaian musicians moving to the UK is to make sure they take Ghanaian music global. And you know this. But like I'm saying, you want agenda, so make a move. Vibrant J says, Ada in BHIM for why you people love to do things SM announced to do. The copy is too much. You guys can do better. Wait, tax Stonebwoy. Boss, stop the copy. Look at that. Look at that. Joey says, Sack did Rapaholic Kumasi. You went ahead to do your concert in Who. Sarkodie did Rapaholic UK. You're also doing BHIM Fest in London. It's good to learn from the best. Charlie. Fight for BHIM says, wow, yes, we all become a Stonebwoy. So what is Shatawale waiting for? All he knows is running from radio station to radio. Senor, only BHIM Nation is safer. Welcome. That be BHIM Native for you. Richmond Andrew says, was the Afro dancer originator necessary? Hey, boss, title the need though. Big Service says, no, but why will you announce the video without adding the venue or them no say venue also counts? Nana Kwame, this guy is fun. You Stark did this there. Shatter announced he will love doing this. He is there. Then you say he too they go do there. So make them sign up. Meanwhile, he no add venue himself. This is what I they talk. You people for avoid. We for try make we avoid all this fan base war. Moku no carry go the UK. You understand? But how Ashama people go enter UK there? You people for tell me. BHIM natives. How the Ashama BHIM natives will enter UK? You people for tell me. I should say maybe wanna emperor. You know. Go organize a few Ashama people to enter. You just might not know if you're happy for you people. So yeah, guys, this be the update I get for you. I don't know what you think about this one, but you can share your opinions in the comment section right there. Of course, this is Sarkodie Studios. My name is PKB. I will see you in another episode. Until then, it'll be bye for now.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.